What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all are having a great solar eclipse day. We don't get to see that here in South Dakota because we have a full sky of just clouds. Like, that's all we get. So we get a natural eclipse from the sun using all the clouds. So other than that, guys, it is that time yet again. We have a mail call. So this is from our man Chuck. And I can't wait to open this up because I know of one car that is in here. Actually, two cars, I think, that are in this box. And I can't wait to get it, guys. It is some awesomeness. So, Chuck, thank you so much for whatever else is in the box. So, let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. All right, so just like any other package, we are going to be sending him something in return. And here we go. We have a little note up on top, which my knife gracefully cut through. Let's see. Here we go. MHD. Hi, Jason. Just a few I don't think you have, and some you do. You can make customs with one beat-up Redline and an old Ford key stock. Huh. Thanks for all you do. Your friend, Chuck. P.S. Someone wanted this red car, some for little one. Oh, nice, dude. All right, let's see what we have right here. Oh, yeah, check it out. We got a bunch of them for the little one. Nice. Oh, she's going to get a kick out of these. Here we go. We have some Disney theme cars. Nice. So we got that one. We also have Mickey in his little car right here. This is kind of old. Maybe it is. It's from China, though. Are these pullbacks? Yeah, there we go. Little slow, but they are pullbacks. We also have, oh, there we go. What's his name? Pluto, right? Pluto the dog. It's been a while. But yeah, nice. Oh, what is this? Dang it. You guys comment down below. I cannot think of what this character's from. Oh, is it Tailspin? Maybe not. I don't know. You guys let me know. That is cool, though. Oh, here we go. Check this out. Fox body in the house. It's got the number 28 on there. Dude, I tell you, last time we got one of these, it was this Uniborn one. And I mentioned it. Every old school casting of the Fox body comes in yellow. And this one is also a Yapming. There we go. Dude, nice. That is cool. Definitely do not have this one. You got the Corgi style wheels and, of course, the number 28 on top and some red lenses. Check that out. Man, it might be a cheap casting, but, I mean, they went real lenses on this. That is cool, dude. Nice. Love it. Oh, it's actually the same one as this. Check it out. Except this one doesn't have the number 28. And this one has Mustang Pace Car. Oh, that is cool. That is a variation. Oh, man. The bonus points for that car just shot through the roof. Nice, man. All right, here we go, guys. Finally got it in the collection. Second Chase or limited case car. And here we go. The beautiful and infamous 1967 Camaro number 6. Out of the vintage racing series. God, that is nice. Now, check it out. You have front rear details. You have the full metal on metal and opening hood. And I know a lot of people are just hating this car as well as the 914-6. And I get it. Like I mentioned it in the last video. It's frustrating when it is a chase, but it's not really a chase because it's in the set, but it's not really in the set. I don't care. It is a beautiful Camaro. I mean, the gorgeous red metallic with the Edelbrock 84. And of course, big red. Now, a lot of people saying this isn't big red, but I definitely think it is. You guys let me know down in the comments. This is definitely a nod to the big red Camaro. But dude, thank you so much for this. This was actually his second one found in the wild. So Chuck, my dude, thank you so much, man. That is freaking awesome. Then check it out. We have some loose castings and a second GT500. Nice. Definitely going to open up this one. Actually, we'll go ahead and open it up I don't want to open it up just yet. Not just yet. But yeah, 2020 GT500 in the beautiful blue metallic. I know a lot of people were a huge fan of this particular release, and I gotta say, this is probably the best GT500 Hot Wheels has ever produced for the 2020 or the 6th gen Mustang. But yeah, this thing is sweet. Gosh, man. Thank you for that. All right, and we have a bunch of loose castings. Here we go. I was wondering why this box seems so heavy. Bundle number 1. Looks like we have a Boss 302. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that is nice. This is Johnny Lightning. Yep, there we go. Johnny Lightning. Oh, no, it's the Mach 1. Mach 1. I'm so used to the Boss being in this color, but yeah. Mach 1 right here. You got some missing wheels on one side, but you have them complete on the other one. That is still, dude, I could definitely bring this back to life. Dude, that is nice. And I love that it has no wing on it. That is sweet. Definitely the first Mach 1 from Johnny Lightning. I do have a couple, but they're all bosses. Like boss, boss, boss. All these are bosses. I don't even think out of my Johnny Lightning I have a Mach 1 in that colorway. So that is a beauty for sure. And followed up, you have the Corvette. What is this, a C5? There you go. Look at that. Oh, this looks like a Matchbox. Is it? Yep. 1997 Corvette 96 casting license. Made in China. It's a 160 scale. God, those Goodyear Eagles, man. Says newest on the license plate. Dude, this is a gorgeous Corvette, man. Love the red interior on this. Man, this release or this era of Matchbox is my favorite one. All right, let's see. Next up, ooh, here we go. Check that out. You have a rolling chassis, completely destroyed. I don't know if we can restore this. That would be very cool if I can. Dude, that would be super hard though, but check it out. This is a Hot Wheels casting. Let's see, custom Mustang. This is an original Redline, I believe. God, that is crazy. I gotta just put this like on a flatbed truck. All right, next up we have another one. Check this out, 289 convertible. It's like a 65 convertible, maybe 64, I don't know. But this is a KidCo, 1979. Look at that. You have the opening trunk. That is crazy. Beautiful color, but yeah, that definitely needs a lot of TLC to get this pony looking good. I don't know, maybe we could do it. I will try. I will definitely try. Next up, we have the 68 GT500. This is out of a multi-pack. This one came out of this one right here, the Shelby 5-pack. Came with the GT500, the 427, the Daytona Coupe, and the 68. But yeah, there you go. Lime green metallic. And you can tell it is a multi-pack car because it is... Oh, it's a Thailand base. Oh, there you go. Normally it's in Indonesia, but there you go. Beautiful. All right, let's see. Next bundle. Let's see what we have in this one. Oh, there we go. We got an NSX, another one for the collection. Here we go. Got the beautiful pearl white red stripe interior and of course the PR5s to tie it all together. This one I believe was a standalone. I don't think it was an exclusive out of the set. But yeah, I definitely have one of these in mint. So this one can definitely be a candidate for either a racer, a wheel swap, or just strip it down and do a full custom. My first custom NSX. That would be super cool. Next up, we have, ooh, here we go. Look at that. Oh, that color is sweet. Totally missing the front clip on this one. But Boss 302, this is a Muscle Machines or Big Time Muscle? Yep, Muscle Machines. There you go. God, that thing is wicked. I love the color of this. Yeah, that is nice. We do have a couple ones over here, a little older one right here, and then we do have these two right here. These two are actually super hard to find and very pricey if you were to pick them up off of eBay or anything like that, but this is really cool. Definitely do not have one of these in this color. God, I wish I would have. Man, I used to have an extra of that white one. I could have used the front on this. Maybe I still can. I don't know. I'm going to do my best to restore that one. And then next up we have the Matchbox S550. Here we go. Oh no, this isn't Matchbox. This is Masto. Check it out. That is actually pretty clean. We just got to clean it up, and I think, yeah, I think it'd be good. And since it's white, I can easily repaint that. Yep, 2015 Mustang GT. Nice. Yeah, we definitely have some really good candidates for a restoration or, ooh, look at this. Oh, that is cool. Ooh, that is cool. God, that thing is super sweet. Dude, what is this, a 76? God, that thing is awesome. Matchbox release of the Ford Mustang 2. And dude, I wonder when this was released. That is freaking awesome, man. You do not see this stuff anymore. This is massive. Look at the sheer size in between these, but that is wicked. I kind of want to remove this sticker. I know it's like a nostalgic thing. I want to see what it looks like, but I think we can restore this. Like, definitely could. But I think the way it is right now is still a bad freaking car. These Mustang 2s do not get a lot of love. But I can guarantee if I had a chance to get one, like a real one, I would totally do that. All right, let's see. Next little bundle. This one's kind of a mixture. I love the mixtures. Ooh, check this out. Oh, is this what is this? KidCo, there you go, a lockup. What does the lock and unlock do? Is that the suspension thing, kind of like how the other ones were? That is cool, man. That is cool. A lot of character on this car. You got some Goodyear tampos, the number 10. Oh, we got to find some tires. Definitely got to find some tires. Oh, you have STP on there too. I don't know. This thing is awesome. Love it, man. All right, let's see. What else do we have in this one? Ooh, check this out. What is this? Oh, here we go. SN95. I've never seen this. This is an off-brand. But definitely a good one. Check it out. It is actually in pretty good shape. Almost looks like it'd be a knockoff of a Masto. There you go. Oh, it's got a turbo. Uh-oh. Got a turbo V6. Definitely not a GT. I don't know. That is really cool. I've never seen this before. This is the stuff I love, man. Like, oddball Mustangs or like generic off-brand Mustangs are probably the coolest ones because not everyone wants them. But your man over here definitely wants it for the collection. Next up, we have the Pontiac Fiero. Check this out. This is another awesome one right here. This is a Pontiac Fiero P396. I don't know if this is a Hot Wheel or what. It's metal on metal though. So that is pretty sweet. That is really cool, man. Gosh, if you guys have any info on that one, drop it down below. I have no idea. And then next up, we have another SN95. Beautiful. This is a Cobra. Check that out. Oh man, that Sonic Blue. It looks like a Matchbox. Yep. Definitely a Matchbox. 96 casting license of the Mustang Cobra. God, that blue. Dude, that is nice. This is like the same release as the Superfast right here. Check it out. We have it in yellow. Oh, and we do have it. We have it right here. Nice. It was actually collector number 66. Oh, yeah. Got it loose, baby. That is awesome, dude. God, that's a really nice Cobra. And I love how you have the Cobra snake embossed into the fender. It's kind of hard to see, but there you go. Dude, loving it, man. All right, next up, we got a couple little animals. You got like a pony or a horse. Don't know what that's from. And a cat. There we go. I got to set these off to the side. Oh, here we go. This is the key he was talking about. It's an old Ford key. How cool is that? What is it? Is it an old one or what is that? Yeah, an old Ford key stock. Oh, I wonder what this went to. I'm gonna have to try to search this up. That is just cool how it's uncut too. That is sweet. This is definitely a unique piece for the collection. All right, and then the last ones right here. Looks like we have a Ford and a couple ponies. Here we go. This is the multi-pack GT500 out of the Shelby 5-pack that we looked at earlier. First one loose. God, that color setup is really nice. Got some stuff that actually kind of comes off, so we can just clean this up. It's actually pretty good condition. Man, that looks good. Thank you for an extra one right here. And then we have the 65 2+2 in this iconic maroon. This is probably, I don't know, probably my top 5 as my favorite color releases. I just love the color. I don't know what it is. The interior color, like if it was an actual interior option, definitely wouldn't pick it. But I don't know, I love this like maroonish brown color. It's just very clean. 65 2+2s are always a great option right there. And then last one is this one. Oh, is this the ZZ Top? Dude, is this the ZZ Top one? I'm pretty sure it is. Check that out. Dude, that is awesome. Awesome black wall right there. It's missing a headlight. I think I have one that I can actually take the casting off of and put that back on there. Dude, that is cool. That is cool, man. What an awesome one to finish with right there. So let's go ahead and clean this up. So here we go, guys. Awesome package from Chuck. Again, huge thanks for all of these loose extras, especially the ones for the little one. That is awesome. She's going to get a kick out of those. But man, infamous red 67 Camaro. That is a beauty. God, that thing is nice. And then, of course, having a second GT500 is a huge bonus. But all of these castings, man, are super cool. Even the rough ones, they definitely have a place somewhere in the collection. I don't think you should ever throw away a Mustang. There's always a potential to restore it, fix it up, have it sitting on a flatbed because it has absolutely no wheels to it. But I mean, these are the things that just make a collection just unique. I mean, who else has a uncut Ford key? I mean, that's kind of cool. I got to look that up. If you have any info, drop it down below. But awesome stuff right here. Again, Chuck, a huge thanks for what you sent. And I will be sending something in return. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. And comment down below if you have any info on anything we showcased today. So that is all we have. Hopefully you guys enjoy the little solar eclipse out there, because us over here just see clouds. So we will live vicariously through your Facebook posts or Instagram or whichever platform you use. So that is all we have. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.